Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. We are here today with another yummy, fluffy, delicious and soft snack. This is not your regular snack. This is not made with all-purpose flour as usual. This is made with bah. Yeah, I made puff puff with a whole wheat meal. So this is whole wheat meal. This video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing with you that you can make your snacks, your buns, your puff puff with any other flour apart from all-purpose flour. So today I'll be sharing with you how I made puff puff with whole wheat meal. So into my mixing bowl, I'll be adding 4 cups of wheat meal flour, which I've already measured out. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. Use the quantity of sugar you prefer. I don't want it too sweet, so I'm using 1/4 cup. 3 tablespoons of powdered milk and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can also use nutmeg or any other flavor of your choice. You can also skip using any flavor. I'll mix this together before going in with a teaspoon of dry chili pepper, just to make it a bit of hot, or yeah, a bit hot or spicy or pepperish, but you can skip that. A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace. Next, I will go in with my proofed yeast. This is a tablespoon of dry yeast, which I proofed with a tablespoon of sugar and 1 cup of warm water. I left it for about 10 minutes to proof as I was mixing this. And I've just added extra 1 cup of water to make it 2 cups of water. So we mix this thoroughly before the next step. Gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. After mixing it thoroughly, this is what we have. So the next thing now is to cover this and let it rest and proof more for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through, rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. And after about 45 minutes, this is what we have. It has doubled in size. So I'll just stir this one more time to remove the air bubbles and whatever. And then we go ahead and heat up some oil and start frying. Oh, sorry. I didn't know my camera was off when I was heating up the oil. But just know that you heat up the oil and then start frying your whole wheat meal puff puff. Yeah, or puff puff. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note. And while they are frying, flip them around so that they can fry or brown on both sides. And also try and fry on medium heat, not high heat. Fry until golden brown. When they are golden brown like this, then your puff puff is ready to be taken out from the oil. Like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice, cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon, gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Then go ahead and fry the rest of the puff puff mixture like this until you are done.
whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum.
And here we have our Nigerian puff puff made with whole wheat meal flour. This puff puff was so delicious. It came out very lovely, soft, fluffy as you want, and also delicious. I hope you'll be giving this a try. If you have your whole wheat meal at home, semolina, you can make puff puff or any snack with any of those flours. It must not be all-purpose flour. Yeah, I hope I've been able to convince you that you can do that. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.